All right, should I renovate my kitchen or renovate my bathroom when I'm putting the house on the market? So my answer really is going to be a little bit confusing, or really not really confusing, but you shouldn't do either one of them, especially if you're putting your house on the market. So that's just my opinion right now in this market. Now, do I recommend you do those things? Absolutely, but well in advance, not advance. Well, yeah, way back, like year and a half, 2 years, because if you're going to spend that kind of money, you're going to want to enjoy it for that period of time, because I promise you, when you get done, you're going to love it so much, you're going to be like, dang, now we're going to sell the house. So no, do not do either one of them unless you just want to if you're about to put your home on the market. If you plan on in 2 years, 3 years, if you know you're forecasting that, then yes, do it. It's going to improve the value. Do both of them if you can. If you wanted to do one of them, I would have to say you have to choose which you spend the most time in. That's just my opinion. I would have to do the kitchen. That's just me. I spend most of the time in the kitchen with my kids, and we sit at the table, drink coffee there. We eat in the, we're just there. We gather there. So that's where I want to renovate. And then if you can make some small improvements to the bathroom that's not so expensive. Down the road, you can get some value out of that as well. So that's my quick take on master bath and kitchen. So I hope that was helpful for you. If not, I'm sorry, but that's what I feel. So thank you guys. If you need me, give me a call. I'd love to help you in any way I can, personally, work related, selling a house, real estate related. It doesn't matter. Just give me a call. Or you can visit me at mattwilliamsrealestate.com. No, that's not it. Homesintheham.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.